poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a Gotti. You can hear the vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry.
I ain't no side piece. I'm the one you take it home to mom, please. Come on, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I'm such a dime piece. Back me and I never leave your side, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Francine or Franny, and I'm back here with another video. And today's video is going to be in collaboration with Beauty Forever, and I am going to be reviewing their T-part fake scalp blonde highlighted closure wig. Oh girl, that was a handful. And this is the packaging that it came in. I already took it out and co-washed it and everything, but it came with a stocking cap, this cute little charm bracelet. It's like a Christmassy bracelet, and I had to put it on because it was so cute, y'all. And it also came with a scarf that you can tie your edges down with. Now this is how the hair looks. Now this is not straight out of the packaging. I did went ahead and co-wash the hair. I forgot to take it out and show you guys as soon as I got it, but I was just so eager to take it out and wash it, girl. But yeah, y'all, so this is how the T-part fake scalp looks right here. Basically, you don't have to, like, basically it mimics a fake scalp. You don't have to put any concealer or anything in it. It's the parting. This is a 4x4, so you get 4 inches of the part and 4 inches of the lace that I'm pointing at right there. Yeah, so this hair did come in like a straight texture, but I did say I did went ahead and co-wash it. So right here is just this nude padding you see that basically what mimics the fake scalp. So it came with 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, and like a little adjustable strap as well. And I went ahead and cut that lace off the back as well. Now this T-part unit, y'all, straight out the packaging, it was super soft. It didn't have like no tangles. Yeah, it was just really soft. Alright, so right here I am just putting on the unit. And y'all, this is my first time ever wearing like a closure unit, let alone a T-part closure unit, so I was low-key super confused. But this the length that it was falling at on me, and I went ahead with my hot comb just to lay down those flyaways before I cut the lace. And you're only able to like wear this hair in the middle part. And this was, I think this hair was 150 density, if I did not mention that. But y'all, I will have any additional details that I missed in this video. I will have it down in the description box below. So be sure y'all check out the description box because it have all types of goodies and details down there, and it have the link to this wig as well if you're interested. Alright guys, so I went ahead and cut off the lace. Now, what the weird thing about this wig, it was kind of snug, but it was big it was big too. So I was confused. So I went ahead and used my Got To Be freeze spray, you know, because I'm kind of heavy-handed when I'm styling my hair sometimes, so I wanted something to like really secure the wig. But you can definitely go glueless. You do not have to do this part because it's snug enough. My head just kind of small, and the wig was just a little bit too big for my head, like in width, like from ear to ear. It was kind of like touching my ear a little bit. All right, now, so I am just creating my baby hairs, and I'm laying them down with my mousse. Girl, if y'all can't tell, girl, I stumble on my words all the time. Like, what am I talking about? I can't even understand myself. So as you guys can tell on the sides, y'all, it's like nothing but like basically tracks on the side because it is a closure. And right here I'm just creating some layers to frame my face. Now this unit already came with some layers, but I went ahead and made a few more because I wanted to do like this little comb back method. I don't really know how the hell to explain it, but if you guys look in girl, you know what I'm talking about. So I went ahead and straightened the hair. I did do a little bump at the ends of the hair, obviously.
Yeah, I'm such a dime piece, back me and I never leave your side, baby. It seems like everybody's looking for eternal bliss. That's what you find when you unbutton my Versace dress. Don't be a pussy and come at me with commitment. You know I die for you, act like you know what time it is. These hips are a work of art, and if you don't see that, death do us part. Now I ain't even gonna flex, cause I am the best. No Becky in distress, I'm a dragon in a dress. I don't get no rest, every day I'm blessed. Working my finesse, Tiffany on my neck. It's a boo thing, not a new thing. You better get it right if you're talking to me. Must've had a mind smart enough to choose me. Your boys say it's fine, you're supposed to use me. You don't wanna f around hard enough to lose me. So whenever I'm around, would you please salute me? Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I ain't no side piece. I'm the one you take it home to momsies. Come on, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call.
Alright guys, so you can definitely just wear your hair straight like this, but you know I'm kind of extra dry, so I just wanted to do like this little comb method. I don't know what it's called. Y'all see me like just pushing my hair back so that the layers can show. What it's called? I know it's like it's always like a flip over method, but what is called comb over method, girl, I don't know, but I just love wearing my hair like this so the layers and the blonde can show. I think the black and the blonde mesh very well. Super duper pretty. My first time trying something like this, and I absolutely love it. And then I went in and I cut the rest of the straggly ends off. And this is a 14-inch. I don't know if I mentioned that, but yes, it is a 14-inch. Alright y'all, so my final thoughts on the hair. Like, I love it. I went back in and made some more baby hairs, you know, because it is a closure. It was my first time trying a closure T-part wig, so I was a little scared at first, y'all. I was a little bit scared. At first I thought the length was awkward, and girl, I didn't know what I was gonna end up doing to this unit, but turns out, y'all, the hair is so pretty, like so freaking soft. Even when I first initially took it out of the packaging, y'all, it was so soft. And it did have a little bit of shedding, not too crazy. I did see a couple of strands when I co-washed it, because I knew I was gonna put more. I knew I was gonna put heat on his hair, and his hair is processed with the highlights and everything. So yeah, the only thing I did after I got done co-washing it, I added a little bit of the Argan oil or Moroccan penetrating oil. This acts as a heat protectant and give it some shine as well. So that's the only thing that I put in the hair. But yeah, y'all, I really do love this hair. Like, and it also comes in different inches as well. You don't have to get just 14. I probably would have went a little bit longer. This length is fine. It's so pretty and it looks natural. Super easy, super quick to throw on. The only thing is, girl, the wind blow, child, you yeah, you gotta make sure you like kind of keep it down a little bit, because if the wind blow, child, you ain't gonna see, well, you won't see tracks, but it don't look as natural, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, girl, just keep it down and you good to go. And I didn't really experience any kind of tangling at all either, y'all. One thing I did not like, y'all, because my head is so small, I have this problem with a lot of companies. My head is kind of small, so this wig was a little bit too big. You might have to go in and make some alterations. I really didn't worry about it. I just kind of like, I don't know, I just kind of like work with it. But yeah, just like a heads up, if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, it can be a little big. But other than that, I have nothing really bad to say about the hair, like at all. It's beautiful, it's silky, it takes heat really well. Big thank you to Beauty Forever. I can't talk. Ew, girl, I had lipstick on my teeth the whole time. A big thank you to Beauty Forever for collabing with me. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, just leave them down in the comments below. I always comment back. But yeah, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys in my video. I will catch you guys in my next video. I'm sending everybody love and lights. Peace.
Do it again. Oh, no, no. See me poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a man to my Robbie. I'm official on a Gotti. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Robbie. I'm not sorry, no, I'm not sorry. It's official. problem. I done made it this far.